Hello everyone. Today we're going to make stuffed okra or Bharwa Bhindi. This is a tasty recipe, so do give it a try. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. I have washed and dried 500 gram of okra. Remove the both ends like this. Make a slit through it like this. And if the okra is long, cut into two. Let's prepare the stuffing now. Adding 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 teaspoon of dry mango or amchur powder, 2 teaspoon of sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of salt or add as desired, 2 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2.5 tablespoon of gram flour or besan, 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Mix everything together nicely. Now stuff this masala into the okra or bhindi. Any leftover masala, you can just add it on top. In a pan or kadhai, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 10 to 12 curry leaves, 6 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Saute for a few seconds until the garlic changes the color slightly. Adding half tablespoon of green chilli paste, half teaspoon of asafoetida powder or hing, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, now adding the stuffed bhindi. Mix it gently. Cover with the lid and cook it on a medium flame. Make sure to open the lid and stir in between as we do not want it to stick at the bottom. It was getting a bit dry, so I added another tablespoon of oil. Mixing and covering with the lid again. After 10 minutes, the bhindi is nicely cooked. If this breaks easily, means it's done. Serve it hot with roti and enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel.